Amber Heard appeared to recoil as she came face-to-face with Johnny Depp in a tense standoff after her harrowing testimony yesterday. The actress, 36, was walking off the stand after telling the Virginia courthouse how her ex-husband had sexually assaulted her with a liquor bottle and threatened to kill her in March 2015 in Australia. At the same time, Depp, who is partially sighted, stood up and moved towards the Aquaman star. Heard seemed to physically shudder and look terrified, taking a step back as court officials immediately turned towards Depp and put their hands up, warning him to stay away. The Pirates of the Caribbean actor then turned away, to shrug and smile. Heard was led to the side of the room by the court officials before Depp went through the rear door for a cigarette during the 15-minute recess. The former couple have mostly avoided eye contact throughout the blockbuster trial. During Heard's testimony, Depp has been seen hunched over a notepad where he has been writing notes and doodling. Before the tense encounter, the actress broke down as she testified that Depp had sexually assaulted her and threatened to kill her in what his defense team labeled the performance of her life. The alleged assault took place in March 2015 in Australia at the rented home he was living in while filming Pirates of the Caribbean 5. This is the same incident that saw Johnny Depp's finger severed. He claimed Heard threw a liquor bottle which severed it. Heard testified that she did not witness Depp's fingertip being cut off. At some point he's on top of me, screaming "IF *King hate you. You ruined my F *King life," Heard testified as she sobbed uncontrollably. "I'm on the countertop. He had me by the neck and was on top of me. I'm looking in his eyes and I don't see him anymore. It wasn't him, it was black. I haven't been so scared in my life. He was looking at me. I was trying to get through to him, to say in some way it was me. Trying to get through to Johnny. My head was bashing against the back of the bar and I couldn't breathe. I remember trying to get up to tell him he was really hurting me. I couldn't breathe. I couldn't get through to him. I couldn't get up." At this point, Heard became overwhelmed with emotion on the stand. "Next thing I remember, I was bent over backwards on the bar. I was staring at the blue light. My back was on the countertop. I thought he was punching me. I felt this pressure on my pubic bone and I could feel his arm moving. It looked like he was punching me. I could just feel this pressure. I don't remember what I said. I just remember being really still, not wanting to move. I remember looking around the room, looking at all the broken bottles, broken glass, and I remember not wanting to move because I didn't know if it was broken. I didn't know if the bottle that he had inside me was broken. I couldn't feel it. I didn't feel pain. I didn't feel anything. I saw so much broken glass I didn't know if he would know if it was broken or not, and I remember thinking, please go, I hope it's not broken. I don't know how that ended. I don't know how I got off the countertop. I just remember being in the bathroom. I remember retching, the sound my voice was making. I lost control of my bladder. I remember just retching. There was blood on the floor." Depp's team claimed the actress' tales of abuse have evolved with new and convenient details and plan on exposing her lies on cross-examination. Heard said that leading up to the fight, Depp confirmed he had not slept, not had he eaten. "We get into an argument. He was accusing me of sleeping with Eddie Redmayne, her co-star in The Danish Girl. He thought I was working with Billy Bob Thornton, but I'd already worked with him a year earlier. He was very upset about him." Heard said that Depp had taken 8 to 10 MDMA pills.